Oo, ang laki niya. Ay, Ruti, wala kang ano. This is the alligator by our canal. Yan, Ruti, I tell you, Ruti, be careful. Ay, nako, Ruti, stop it, Ruti, stop it. Ang laki niya, Ruti, it can kill you. It can kill you. Yan, tapos ang hilig-hilig mo pa dyan na you're almost your half body is almost in the water feeding your turtles. That's your, ano, Ay, talagang ang ano niya. Ay, naku, what do they care? Ikaw ang ano niya, he knows your schedule, he knows your yung mga ginagawa mo feeding turtles. He's just waiting for you, Ruti. Yan, waiting to grab you one of these days. Talagang ang ano ko sa'yo, yan na ang ano mo. Yan, you see that? Is that just waiting there to pounce on someone? Ay, nako. Not even caring about any other thing. He wants a human being. Ay, nako. There it is. Alligator by our canal. I think we should have someone yung to put ano yung tawag nun? Yung warning sign there. See that? Ayan, wala na siya. Ay, naku po. Hey, look how big! Oh my golly! Oh no, my gosh! Ay.